Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog. Today is Tuesday. What a lovely day. I'm trying to figure out something in the morning that how can I get up way early in the morning and go outside for a run. Back to old routine, but I'm not getting that time. So I'm sure everybody has the same problem in the winter. Getting up in the morning, going out and doing something but not possible. I might go to play badminton in the evening by these 2 weeks. Hopefully it does. If it does, then set for the evening that I go to play at least some activity. Right now I'm a little bit hungry, so going down to eat my breakfast. Just reached home, and now in some time I'm gonna eat food, go out to our temple, which is in Mayam. So it's a Murugan hometown, you can say. Just 10 to 15 kilometers from here, from my place. So it's around 1 o'clock. By around 2:30 or 3 o'clock, we're going to push out as quick as possible, come back and got some work in the school. There's slight change in plans. So we're not going to temple in Mayam, but I'm going to office because I need to finish some drawing work on the wall, some artwork I have to finish. So maybe we are going at the end of this week. That's the plan, to the temple. But right now I'm going to the school. I'm doing my work. Might meet Anish. Let's see. And also I'm going on my bike. So I've put the GoPro strap. There's a new rule which has come that you are not allowed to put GoPro anything on your helmet device. Could be a fine or something, I don't know properly, but they didn't talk about or didn't say anything about the chest. So I'm going to put this. I'll be taking my bike. My front bike tire is punctured, need to fix it. Few works, a lot of pending and small works. Let us finish that. निकलता होगा हवा, पूरा खाली है वो। कर दो उसको। कहाँ अभी? गैरेज में अभी खुला रहेगा। क्या क्या उसका? हाँ हाँ पूरा। Just finished with designing and painting on the bike. Let us go home. झाला बेगीन लेट आता घातला ना जात म्हाका सॉलिड लेट जावपाक आसा काय ना लेट सांग लेट जावन सांगपाचें फक्त Hi, Babu. Ja, det går, ja? Hej. Hege. Hege. Come. What a big spoon. So just reached home to eat something with coffee. You must have seen pakoda and all this thing that I've got from Shetty's. It's 10 o'clock. Not hungry because he ate vada pav, samosa, mirchi pav. Is he hungry? He's eating pav. Hira is eating pav. Aaj on the phone, Hira is watching her television. I think soon, sometime I'm gonna see her movie. And tomorrow Hira has got a holiday because of 10th standard farewell at her school. But we have to go because our school is there. We don't have anything. But a lot of work at school. So just going to go on top, sleep after watching movie. No idea what it is. So just good night and ciao ciao. Let Ira say it.